Hello and welcome back to WhatTheInfo. This is Chapter 2 of our AI Basics series, where we are learning artificial intelligence step by step, from very basic concepts to advanced topics. In the previous chapter, we learned what artificial intelligence is and how it is already part of our daily lives. Today, we're going to understand something very important: the different types of AI. Not all AI is the same. Some AI is simple, some is powerful, and some exists only in theory. Let's start with the most common type of AI that exists today. This type is called narrow AI, also known as weak AI. Narrow AI is designed to do one specific task very well. It cannot think beyond that task. For example, when YouTube recommends videos to you, that's narrow AI. When Google Maps suggests the fastest route, that's narrow AI. When your phone unlocks using face recognition, that's also narrow AI. These systems are very good at what they are trained to do, but they cannot learn or think like a human. Almost all AI you use today falls into this category. Now let's talk about the second type of AI, called general AI. General AI is the idea of a machine that can perform any intellectual task that a human can do. It could learn, reason, plan, and solve problems across many different areas, just like a human mind. To be very clear, general AI does not exist yet. Researchers are working on it, but today's technology has not reached this level. Movies often show robots or computers that can think and feel like humans. Those are examples of general AI, but only in fiction. The third type of AI is called super AI. Super AI refers to a future stage where AI becomes more intelligent than humans in every possible way. It would be able to solve problems faster, learn infinitely, and possibly even improve itself. This type of AI is purely theoretical and raises many ethical and safety questions. Right now, super AI exists only in discussions, research papers, and science fiction stories. So to summarize, narrow AI is real and everywhere around us. General AI is a goal researchers are working toward. Super AI is a future concept, not reality. Understanding these types helps us see AI realistically, not emotionally. AI is powerful, but it also has clear limits. If you're enjoying this structured AI learning series, make sure to subscribe to WhatTheInfo because each chapter builds on the previous one. Now here's an important question to think about. If today's AI is not truly intelligent like humans, then how does AI actually learn from data and experience? That's exactly what we'll explore in Chapter 3, where we'll break down how AI learns, including the basics of machine learning in very simple terms. Subscribe to WhatTheInfo and continue this AI journey with us.